We're in Windermere, Florida today, and we're going to take a tour of the downtown area to see where the best places are to eat and shop, and we're going to take a tour of the farmers market that's held here every Friday. Whether you're a local, planning a visit, or moving here, you'll discover why Windermere is one of Central Florida's hidden gems. Windermere's downtown feels like a step back in time. It is a short drive to Disney World, downtown Orlando, and the airport, and is well known for upscale, guard-gated communities like Islesworth, where athletes, CEOs, and celebrities have lived. So, Maria, let's explore downtown first before we go on to the farmers market.
Downtown has a perfect blend of old Florida charm and modern convenience. Paloma is a favorite, a coffee shop and bakery. At Pistol Home and Garden, you have amazing floral designs. Dixie Cream has the best breakfast and lunch around. Windermere Art and Frame has done work for Universal and Disney. Tim's Wine has over 700 selections and a reputation for being the heart of the Friday night social scene for free wine tastings. Then you have Windermere Brewing with great beer. That is downtown.
Every Friday morning, Windermere's Farmers Market takes over downtown, transforming it into a vibrant hub of local flavor. From fresh produce to handmade crafts, there's something for everyone. If you're planning a visit, parking is available around downtown. The Farmers Market typically runs from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. on Fridays. Bring a reusable bag and come early for the best selection.
Yes, Art. The Farmers Market is a collection of several small businesses from the greater Orlando area. There is a big diversity of food and drinks, items to buy, and amazing things to observe. And you can ask questions like, so tell us about your local honey. There are free samples as well. Come out and support the local businesses. You never know who you will run into. Maybe a famous celebrity or two. Windermere is a true hidden gem.
Maria, I totally agree. Windermere is a hidden gem. Not only to visit here, but it's also wonderful to live here. There are many sought-after communities, top schools, and there's many things to do. There are all those lakes that you could go boating. There's all kinds of trails that you go walking and biking. So, if you're interested in moving to, or buying or selling a home in Windermere, Orlando, South Florida, or the Space and Treasure Coast of Florida, we like to help. I am a real estate agent, and our sister company, Hartunian Agents, has you covered. Contact us at the contact information on screen. That's our quick tour of downtown Windermere and its farmers market. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like, subscribe for more Central Florida guides, and leave a comment with your favorite spot in Windermere. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.